Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim. Episode 15. Vector store with ChromaDB. Embeddings turn text into vectors. But where do you store them? A vector database. ChromaDB is a lightweight vector store. It runs in memory. No server needed. You add documents, it embeds them automatically. Then query with natural language. Today, a recipe knowledge base. Add 6 recipes. Search by what you want to cook. A new file. Vector store for a recipe knowledge base. Episode 15. ChromaDB stores and searches documents by meaning. ChromaDB is a lightweight vector database. One import, no server needed. Import ChromaDB. The vector database handles embedding and search. Create a ChromaDB client. In memory means data lives in RAM. ChromaDB.client with no arguments. That is the in-memory mode. Create a collection named recipes. Think of it like a database table. A collection stores documents as vectors. ChromaDB generates embeddings automatically. A recipe knowledge base. 6 recipes covering different cuisines. Chicken fried rice, pasta carbonara, vegetable stir-fry, and more. Pasting the full recipe list from a prepared file. Each recipe is a string with ingredients and steps. Six recipes ready. Time to load them into ChromaDB. Add all 6 recipes to the collection. Collection.add takes documents and IDs. Documents is the list of recipe strings. IDs gives each recipe a unique name. ChromaDB embeds every document automatically. No manual embedding code. Print confirmation. 6 documents added. Save. Collection loaded and ready to query. Query 1. What can I make with chicken? Print a header for the first query. Print the question so we can see it in the output. Collection.query takes query texts as a list. The question goes inside query texts. And results equals 2. Return the two most similar documents. Close the query call. ChromaDB embeds and searches. Loop through each result with zip. Extract the distance score. Lower means more similar. Print the result number and distance. Print the matching document text. Query 2. I want something healthy for breakfast. Same pattern. Print header and question. ChromaDB understands meaning, not just keywords. Natural language question, 2 results. Healthy and breakfast guide the semantic search. Two closest results. Same loop to print results with distances. Extract distance for each match. Print result number and score. Print the matched recipe text. Query 3. How do I make Italian pasta? Print header for the third query. Italian and pasta should match carbonara strongly. Same query pattern. Two closest results. The question as query text. Two results again. Loop through results. Distance score for each match. Print result and distance. Print the document. 3 queries complete. Save and run. Watch ChromaDB find the right recipes. 6 recipes stored, 3 queries coming. Six recipes added, all embedded automatically. Query 1, chicken. Fried rice is the closest match. Distance scores show similarity. Lower is better. Query 2, healthy breakfast. Banana smoothie wins. It understood healthy, even though the recipe says post-workout. Query 3, Italian pasta. Carbonara is the top result. Higher distance means less relevant. That is the ranking. 3 queries, all correct. Semantic search, no keywords. Back to top. Review the full script. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, ChromaDB is a vector store that embeds documents automatically when you add them. Second, query with natural language. ChromaDB finds the most similar documents by meaning. Third, distance scores show relevance. Lower distance means closer match. Thanks for watching. Next episode, the RAG pipeline, connecting retrieval to generation.